Hey there, everyone. I wanted to take a second to introduce you to the Marketing Kit and show you what it is and how to use it. It's a really incredible tool that Lens to Listings Media offers with every package. It takes the photos that we shoot, it takes your headshot, your number, your contact information, and all the property information, and it repurposes all of that into social media posts, printable flyers, and a property website. When you get a delivery email from me, when the photos are ready, you'll get an email and it'll take you here to the Marketing Kit. This is where you will see access to all of these ready to post social media posts of different varieties. You'll see here there's a category for social media reels. Here there are, I think, about 17 options of reels that are all individually designed for the realtor to promote themselves, as well as information on open houses. When the property is sold, you can post another individual reel just for that moment. When the property is just listed, there's reels just for that, where it makes slideshows and takes the photos we used and it repurposes them in ready to post content. So what you would do is you would go here, you would click the download button on the which one of these reels you would like to post. You would click download and then you would upload it right to Instagram because it's ready to go. Some of them, like this open house one, you need to edit a little bit so it has accurate information when you go to post it. So you would just click the edit button here. You would go in here and change the date and time to whatever it is, and you would click save and close. Then you would then download it after that. So this is just the reels, and there's 17 options for reels. Again, this happens with every property you shoot with me when you shoot with a package. You also get stories and posts. The content for stories and posts is different than for reels, and it should be. When you're posting to social media, you should have multiple different types of content ready to post. So again, these are well designed professional graphic designs using the media that we already shot. And like I said, these are fully customizable. If you don't like the photos that they chose, you can go in and change it. Like this photo, I feel like isn't properly framed. It's not showing much. So we can change it to something like this, and you can edit and design. If you want to see more of the staircase, that beautiful staircase with that nice railing, you can feature that. You can move things around. It's really nice. And we'll click save and close. And all of a sudden that one's updated and ready to download. There's also, we'll go past all the stories, there's 17 different story options as well. There's landscape posts. These perform well on platforms like Pinterest and Facebook, depending on what social media sites you're using. These are really good. These are also good banners to put at the top of your Facebook page if you're wanting to feature a property for a little while. Additionally, there's Square Posts. These are optimized for Instagram, and they perform really well there. So you want to utilize these. And let's look closely at one of these to see. Right here we have the realtor Melissa Hackford, and you see her cell phone number here. So she would post this on her social media, and now if someone sees the beautiful house, they see her number and they would get in contact with her ideally is how that would work. So it's just another way to increase your presence online. And this marketing kit, like I said, included with every package we have. This is the example of Pinterest. I don't use Pinterest much. Some realtors find a lot of success with Pinterest. But this is ready to go for Pinterest, saving you honestly a lot of time making a Pinterest post. There's also these slideshow videos. They come, I believe, without music attached to them, but I always recommend clients put music in the videos when posting to social media because it does perform well. You just go and pick a trending audio on social media. Instagram provides you with trending audio options that help the slideshow video perform better. And then for all these, there's branded and unbranded options. If you're trying to avoid showing your brokerage on the MLS, you can post these slideshows with an unbranded format. And for your personal social media, you can use the branded format. There's also property websites. I want to go over that with you today as well. Let's see. Let's go to the website. This is the website that's automatically generated with every property that we shoot with the marketing kit. As you see here, it takes you right to the agent. You'll see her phone number, what brokerage she works with, and her title. It also gives you good information about the house. Like this house was listed 340. It tells you the price, the MLS number, number of beds, baths, square feet, and lot size. You can also customize the text that goes here. You can input all this information to be exactly what you want. The benefit of this property site is that you're in control of it as the listing agent. You have access to the analytics, the back end, all the information of people who come to visit, and your contact information is represented, so people will get in touch with you and not a potential buyer's agent. And then additionally, down at the bottom, if they wanted to get in touch with you, they type in, you type in the information, and you, as the listing agent, would get a direct message from the interested party. Tons of good information on this website. It's really good to include these in like Facebook posts. Putting a link to this in your Facebook posts is a great way to increase the amount of eyes that click on your listing. These are also some of our beautiful floor plans that include square footage and measurements that really help buyers understand the shape and size of the home that they're looking at. This is also something I want to feature. Is called the QB Casa Tour, where it takes the listing photos and it takes the floor plan and it combines them, so you can kind of click through and see what you're looking at and what part of the house you're looking at. So really cool stuff. You can go to different floors as well. So if you want to go upstairs, you can see the primary bedroom, the primary bed, or another bedroom, some bathroom photography. Really good stuff. So this is the property website. It combines all the media we shoot together into one nice place where you can have access and control. And then lastly, I want to show you, there's more. There's always more. There's these print ready flyers. Basically, they have all the information on them for the listing. You can download them and print them out. And these are really gorgeous templates to use to elevate your showings and your open houses. If you have these flyers ready to hand out and give to potential buyers when they come visit, it's just an elevated thing for them to take away and really improve their perception of your professionalism, which is really what we're after here. And then the actual last thing now is a traffic report. We can click View Current Report, and this breaks down the number of people who are visiting your property website, what media, what photos they're most interested and most likely to click on, and then you can see where they're contacting from and where they're visiting from. We get a lot of views from Plainfield, New Jersey, Mountain View, California, Wilkinson, Vestal, New York. So it kind of gives you some insights that some of the people visiting this property online are local and some of them are out of state. So you can kind of get to know your audience a little bit. Yeah, that's just a really cool tool that helps you understand more the type of clientele you're reaching. So this, in essence, is the marketing kit. You get all of this. The last thing I do want to say is, like I said, this is included in all of our packages. However, say you decide not to shoot with me or you decide to shoot your own photos. I understand that needs to happen sometimes. Budgetary concerns are valid. But if you like the marketing kit and you love having professionally curated social media posts and just professional media, you can buy just the marketing kit from us, and we can upload the photos that you want to be featured, and we can assemble them into the marketing kit templates that we have. So you can buy that totally separately of whether you worked with me or not, or if you have a listing that's been on for a while and you want to try to have some more social media content prepared. It's really easy to just send us the photos, buy the marketing kit, and we'll take care of the rest from there. And you can download all of these ready to go. This marketing kit is really great for realtors who do not have a social media team supporting them, but it's also great for the teams that do have a social media team supporting them. Your social media team can go in here and use this service like it is Canva, which is a common social media graphic design platform. All of these things are super customizable, super individualized, and it's really easy user interface to work with. So this could save your social media team a lot of time so they can make more posts, focus on other aspects of the business that will help make you profitable as well. So cannot say how awesome this marketing kit is. I will talk about it for years and days. But yeah, thank you for paying attention. I appreciate your time, and I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.